In this lecture, we are going to take a look at a very important topic in Python, which is dictionary. The name dictionary should give you a clue about the purpose of this structure. Dictionary is an unordered collection of data in key and value pairs. Dictionaries consist of key and their corresponding values. In dictionary, key and value pair are called items. Now let's take a look at how we can create a dictionary in Python. So I'm going to simply create here a variable persons and I'm going to specify dictionary to it. To create a dictionary, you need to start with a curly braces. So I'm going to just specify open and closing curly braces, and in this curly braces we're going to create dictionary items. So as I said, dictionary items consist of key and value pair. So I'm going to just create here a key. So I'm going to just say here Robin. So this is the name of the key, and then I'm going to specify value to this Robin key. So I'm going to specify here colon to specify value to this key, and then I'm going to specify here number. So in the single quote, I'm going to just specify number here. So this is the key and this is the value of this key. Now just after that, to create your next dictionary item, you can specify here comma to separate dictionary item, and then you can create a new key and value pair. So I'm going to just create here Paul and then specify a number. So I'm going to just create a key Paul and then specify number. So you can notice here I'm going to specify name of the person as a key, and I'm going to specify phone number of the person as a value. Now the name are the keys and the telephone numbers are the values. Each key is separated from its value by the colon. You can notice here the item are separated by commas and the whole thing is enclosed in braces. So this is what we call a dictionary. So this is how you can create a dictionary in Python. The benefit of using key is you can uniquely identify values which you couldn't do in the list. Now suppose let's say you want to print a Paul's number. You will simply say here print statement, and in the print statement I'm going to call a dictionary, and in the square bracket I'm going to call a key. So I'm going to say here Paul. So when I execute the statement, I'm going to have the value of this key. Now if I want to get the telephone number of Robin, I can simply use this key here and execute my file. I'm going to get the key value as a result. Now there is one more way you can create this dictionary. You can create this dictionary using dict function as well. Let me show you how you can do that. For example, now let's say you have a list, and in this list you have two inner list, and in this inner list you have two values. Now what I want to convert this list in dictionary. To do that, I can simply use dict function. For example, let's say I want to convert this list in dictionary. I'm going to simply create here a variable d is equal to dict, and then in the parentheses I'm going to pass the list variable just like this. Now when I try to print this d, I'm going to have a result something like this. Alright, so you can notice this list is now converted to dictionary. So using dict function, you can convert your list into dictionary very easily. Now you are not limited to only convert your list into dictionary. You can even convert tuples as well in dictionary. For example, now let me just convert this list into tuple. I'm going to just convert it just like this. In this list you have tuple. This is a type of tuple. Now I want to convert this tuple into a simple dictionary. So I'm going to just create a d variable, then call dict function, and then pass this tuple to this dict argument. Now when I try to print this statement, I'm going to have the dictionary as a result. So you're not limited to only convert list. Using this dict function, you can even convert tuple as well. In the previous lecture, we understand lists are mutable. Dictionary is mutable, which means you can change the value after it is created. In this example, I'm going to just create a dictionary using this function. So when I try to print this statement, I'm going to have this dictionary. Now what I want to change the number of the Robin. So what I'm going to do is, just out of this print statement, down here, I'm going to say d, and to change this value, we need to specify its key. So I'm going to call this Robin in this square bracket, just like this, and then I'm going to specify equal to sign, and then specify the value which I want to change. So now Robin has different value. When I try to print the statement, you can notice the value of this Robin is now changed. So it means dictionary is mutable. You can change the value of the dictionary anytime. Now, once you understand how you can change the value of your key, let me just show you how you can get the length of your dictionary using len function. So let's say you want to get the length of this dictionary. You can simply specify here a function len and then specify d here, your dictionary. When I execute the statement, you can notice you have 2 as a result. You have 2 items in the dictionary, so this len function is going to return 2. Just out of that, let's say I want to delete this first item from this dictionary. I can use a delete keyword. For example, let's say I want to delete this first item from this dictionary. I can simply specify here del, delete, and then specify d, and in the square bracket, I'm going to specify the key which I want to delete. I'm going to specify here Robin, just like this. And when I try to print this dictionary, you can notice I'm going to have just a one item in this dictionary. Now the Robin is now deleted from this dictionary completely. Now we know that how you can create dictionary in Python. Dictionary is a very important topic in Python, so we're not going to finish it in this lecture. Instead, we're going to talk about dictionary in the next lecture as well. In the next lecture, we're going to talk about dictionary methods, and we'll take a look at some dictionary examples to understand how dictionary work in Python. So I will see you in the next one.